Hello everyone, it's Danielite. Been a while, and if you're just seeing my video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and share to others so that they can benefit with you. And to those of us who have subscribed, I'm saying a very big thank you to you. I really appreciate. Alright, straight to business. If you have seen this video within the range of a week from the time I posted this, there's a 90% chance I will be able to claim this $20 no deposit bonus, which I'll be talking about in this video. And all you have to do is to just make sure you follow every single step I'll be showing you. Follow the video step by step so you won't miss out. It's not something you can just go to the site to claim. You have to follow the process. So let's dive in. So first of all, you'll be clicking the link in my description. Click on the link in the description and it will lead you to this broker where you fill in your details. And make sure you fill them correctly. And once that is done, you will be sent a code to your Gmail just to verify your Gmail. And all I'm trying to say is that you have to sign up with them, and also you have to open an account with them. So once you're done opening an account with them, you come to this part where you have to verify your details. Well, although it's not really compulsory to verify your details, but in order for you to make withdrawal when you're done trading and making profit, you need to verify your account. And verify your account, you just have to click on this arrow showing up here, and it will bring the option where you see KYC verification. Once you click on it, it will bring the space where you have to submit your document. You just have to click on the space and you select from your gallery your document, you upload it. So once you verify your account, the next thing is to open a MT5 account with them. So by clicking this arrow showing up here and see click on my account, then select open live account. So from there it brings you to this part where you have to fill in the account type, the leverage, and then you create a password for the trading account. So once you just for the account type, you select standard. The leverage, I put it in 500. You can choose anyone you want there, and then you create a password, then click on submit. So from here you send the login details for the MT5 to your Gmail immediately, although it will also show on the screen right here, but to send to your Gmail to make it safe. And this next step is the most important aspect of it all. So we are going to be starting the support. Once you click on the arrow showing up here, you see this app text. You click on new ticket and you compose a message. There's a way I did mine. See it here. I would love to be credited with the no deposit bonus. You put in the MT5 details and you put in your Gmail also, and then send to them. So after that, the next step is to log in the MT5 details into your MT5. So as you can see how I did mine here, put in the server and put in every correct details and clicked on login. So right here I've been logged in, and so it's still $0.0, but after some while, like 2-3 hours, I got credited, and that's the $20 you can see showing on your screen right here. And for the terms and conditions, you just have to take 2 lot size, and the maximum withdrawal is $100. And please don't forget to subscribe, give the video a like, and also share to others so you can always get notified anytime I drop a new deposit bonus. Have a nice day.